In this lesson, we are going to learn about how to retouch eye in Adobe Photoshop. And this is an amazing lesson, and we're going to introduce you with a tool. And with the tool, you can retouch eye, teeth, as well as anything else. So let's start the process for retouching eye in Adobe Photoshop. So as you know, we have to open our exercise file for retouching eye, and that's why here is the file menu, here is the open option, and inside our exercise file you will get this Austin Wade unsplash image. So you just have to select it and then you have to click open. Okay, here is the image, and I want to duplicate the background layer, then we can compare between before and after at later. So let's duplicate the background layer, and so let me write eye retouch. Okay, so let me click OK. So here is the eye retouch layer, and let me zoom in this image, then we can have the clear view of this eye. So for zoom in, you can press Ctrl and plus button from your keyboard, or if you are using Mac, then you have to press Command and plus button, or you can use this view menu, and here is the zoom in option. Let me zoom in once again. Okay, I need more. Okay, cool. So you can take a look. This boy, he have a beautiful eye, but we can make, or we can retouch this eye and we can make it more beautiful. How we can do that? We can do that easily using this dodge tool, or you can use O button from your keyboard for keyboard shortcut. Using this dodge tool, we are going to make this eye more better. And you can take a look, we have a very small brush size, so we have to increase the brush size. For increasing the brush size, you just have to use this brush size option, and from there you can increase the brush size. Okay, cool. We do have 37 pixel, and that's good enough for us. And here is the hardness. You can increase the hardness a little. Okay, I think 35% hardness is good. And here, the type of brush, what type of performance the brush will provide. It's called a soft round, but I think I have to go with the hard round. Okay, cool. So let me click on this empty space, then the pop-up will be disappear. So let's start with the right eye. So here is the white area, and we are going to making more white. So using this dot tool. Okay, cool. You can take a look. We got the more white part. Okay, now it looks much better. And let's make some shine in this eye, as well as left eye. Okay, nice. Okay, cool. So let me zoom out, and for zooming out, you just have to press Ctrl and minus button, or Command or minus button, and you can use this view menu, and here is the zoom out option. Okay, let me zoom out once again. Okay, cool. So let's compare between before and after applying the dodge tool to this beautiful eye. And that's why what we have to do, we have to turn off the eye retouch layer, then we can compare. So let me turn it off. Okay, is it really looks good? Yeah, it looks good, but after applying the dodge tool, this should look much better. So let me turn it on. Now it really looks much better than before. Okay, cool. So this is the simple process for retouching the eye using the dodge tool. And in next lesson, we're going to learn about the teeth retouching using this same dodge tool. And I'm going to see you in the next lesson.